The first thing I would do to find prospects and build an MLM business from scratch, I would go out and network with people. I would go out and submerge myself in social networking environments. I would go out and meet new people. You can go to a local Starbucks. You can go to a gym. You can go to a bar. You can go to a hotel lobby. You can go to a college campus and go out and just be friendly with people. There's something called winning friends and influencing people. We talked earlier about how nobody's going to buy from you if they don't like, trust, and respect you. And the only way to build, getting people to like, trust, and respect you is building relationships. Friendship first, business, second. You have to go out and ask questions. You have to go out there and ask people, about their family, about their occupation, what they do for fun, their recreational activities, what motivates them. You have to understand that everybody wants something more out of life. And I'm a firm believer that if you tell us what you want, we can show you how to get it through network marketing, through MLM. So when you find out what somebody else wants, you can give it to them through your company, your service, and your product. Understand in this industry, there's no limit on your income. So which means there's no limit on how big you can dream. If somebody wants to go, build a hospital that costs $100 million in Africa, they can accomplish that through this business. If somebody wants to go build a recording studio for music that costs millions, they can build that through this business. So it's very important to get people's hot buttons. And the only way you get somebody's hot button is asking question after question after question after question. And here's $1 million tip. Create some pain with people. If they ask, how much does it cost to get on board in this business? And you tell them $500 and they don't have $500, ask them, how does that make you feel? How does it make you feel that you're over the age of 18 in the United States of America and you don't have $500 to start your own business? How does that make you feel? Okay, create some pain with people, knock them down a little bit, and then build them back up with your company, with your products, with your service, with your opportunity to change our life. Guys, we all understand the job market's terrible. The economy is terrible. Our parents screwed up. And I know thousands and thousands of people are going to hear this broadcast. Most of your parents did not succeed financially. Okay? Look up the numbers. So we have a better way, and it's our job to educate people, inspire people, motivate people, and then teach people how to build this business and how MLM is unlocking any dream or desire that they have. So if I got dropped in the middle of a freaking downtown, I would go meet people. I would gain their contact information. I would create some pain. I would figure out what motivates them, what makes them happy, what they're all about. I would get to know them, get interested in other people. Okay, and then I'm going to gain some influence, and I'm going to say, I have a way to help you get to where you want to go. I have a way to help you get out of your part-time job. I have a way to help you pay off your student loan. I have a way to help retire your grandma, your mom, and your dad. I have a way to help you live the life of your dreams. That's what I would do.